Welcome to this 10 days Arduino series where you'll be learning how to program an Arduino board like a pro. But first, let me ask you some series of questions. Have you ever programmed an Arduino before? Have you even ever programmed an Arduino? Then you have an error, then you're looking where the error is and you don't even know where it is? Don't worry, in this video series, we're going to be teaching you how to program an Arduino board from beginner to a pro level. And what is even amazing about this series is that you need no money, you don't need to buy any equipment. We're going to be giving you a free website that you can use to follow us along on this series. So you're going to learn amazing things, and while learning, you'll be building amazing projects. From learning how tons of sensors, tons of equipment works, up to even building a project which will build on day 10 a smart security system. So without further ado, let's begin. Day 2 of how to code an Arduino like a pro. So yesterday we made this secret and made this leg here plain. Now today what we want is to understand in depth what this code here does. I know where to study first of all the variables and how the serial monitor works, but first, before even going somewhere, I want we should understand this code that we made this leg link. So it's not going to take long, and according to or at the point of me recording this, our code editor on Tinkercad has an issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it as an opportunity and use the Arduino IDE. So if you don't have the Arduino IDE, you can just download it from the net. We're going to open our Arduino IDE code from there, copy the code and just paste it in our code editor here. So we're taking it as an opportunity. So here we are right now on an Arduino IDE. If you don't have the Arduino IDE, you can download it directly from the the Chrome browser. It's very easy to download it, and there are many videos out there even to show you how to download the Arduino IDE. So what we'll just be doing right now is writing our code here, and then we'll be verifying if it's correct or not. Then when it's good, we copy it and go to Tinkercad. So right now, there's two very important things you have to know about an Arduino code. An Arduino code always have the voice setup. So the voice of the what I've highlighted there is the part of the Arduino code. It's always there. It's a function. It's the part of the Arduino code which serves to tell the Arduino what a particular equipment does. Is it an input or an output? Yes, and it can the serial can also come into get to in later videos you understand how you can use serial monitor. But it's always there defining what pins are going to if pins are input or output, always there. It has to be always there, and that code of the voice setup counts 1. Then we have the void loop. So the void loop is the command that we're telling now the Arduino what the Arduino should do with particular equipments. Like our let, we're telling the let to go on and off, on and off. So is this void loop that will tell now that will tell the Arduino the code you have in the void loop that will tell the Arduino, okay, let that let go on, then let the let go off, let the let go on, let the let go off. And since it's a loop, it's going to run over and over and over. The void setup in contrary just runs once. You just initialize and tell the Arduino that okay, this particular pin is an output, this particular pin is an input, and then with that you just go. So what we're going to do is go directly into our code. So we're going to use what we call pin mode. Pin mode. There's always pin mode is used to actually define your key. So there's always an error that I usually do. This M is always in capital letter. And one thing that's good with the Arduino IDE is that it highlights when it's covered. When it's covered, it gives you this good color. Pin mode, while using pin 13 for our LED, it is output. Output in capital letter. So output capital letter. Then we always end with a semicolon. So that's just it. Pin mode, output. Yeah, pin mode, pin 13, which is for the LED, and output. Now let's go into making our LED link. You already know the code how it looks like. So we're using digital with W in capital letter. Digital, right? Since my W is not in capital letter, when in double C capital letter, you don't have the right of the bracket. Digital right, pin 13, high. Cap is the high also in capital letter. So digital right, pin 13 high. Pin 13 high means on, and then the digital right is telling now the Arduino that okay, this particular pin send a particular send this voltage to it to make this let go on. So digital right high, that means the let to come on. Then we'll have a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, and a semicolon. And just to go quick, I'll copy this, Control C, enter, Control V. Then I'm going to put low. Low now is to make it go off. So to tell that Arduino for it to come on is high, come on is high, and then go off is low. Then it delay for 1000 milliseconds before coming on. So we're just going to verify code to see if it's good. This is how the Arduino verifies code by compiling. Oh, it shows that the errors. So our errors are on the digital. Okay, you have digital. It's digital with an L, like how it's here digital. So with the L, so digital, right? Yeah. Now let's verify code one more time. Okay, our code is good. So now we're just going to copy Control A, Control C, then take it to our Arduino IDE, Control V, and start simulating. Go back to our Arduino IDE. Let's now just play and reduce our delay to 100. 100. Control A, Control C. Then we go back to here, Control A and Control V. Then we start simulating. I think the way it's very fast. You can barely see with your eyes because it's 100 milliseconds, very fast. But you can kind of see as it wants to go off. Like it's actually going up, but it's very fast. Now we have seen how it's fast and how it's slow. Now what we're going to do is an SOS. An SOS, that's making the LED blink in an SOS format. So an SOS format is in a way that the LED blink very fast for 3 times, then it blinks slowly 3 times, then it blinks back very fast 3 times. Then after it continues, so it blinks fast for 3 times, 1 2 3, then it blinks slowly 1 2 3, then it blinks fast 1 2 3. So now let's stop this simulation. Let's go and write our code for our SOS. Time I modified the code, I saw that 300 and 500 were too close, so we could not really identify the difference. So I decided to reduce from 300 to 200. That's it blinking slowly. Now it actually blinks fast here. It's blinking fast, and here it is blinking slowly. So it blinking fast has become 200. And it blinking fast has become 600. So here we have it blinking fast has become 600. So with that, Control A, Control C, we go back to our Arduino IDE, Control A, Control V, and then start simulating. So now that I've seen how it works, I have again another little modification. Here we're going to put 1000, so that once one loop is finished, at least we have some time to see it before it continues back. So a long pause, then it continues back, so that we can know the difference. So that's it. So right now you have learned how to make a LED to blink fast, slow, fast, and you too have learned how the actual void setup, void loop work, what pin mode does, which is defining a pin, and what digital writing and Arduino what to do particularly, and delay is just an amount of time in between a certain lines of code. So that's it. Go back home, rewrite this code, and tomorrow, day 3, we're entering into variables and learning to how the serial monitor works.